Hello guys, this is Steven here. This is my newly built steam engine. Took me about 1 month to build. I found this is a quite learning experience to me. So let's take a closer look first. Then I'm gonna connect it to the compressed air and see how it runs. The engine sits on a solid wood base and a CNC milled aluminum plate. It's supported by 4 aluminum columns and it used 2 small bearings to reduce the friction. It has 2 eccentrics. One is for the valve chest. It controls the direction of the steam enters the piston, and another eccentric is for the water pump that feeds to the boiler. It has 2 valves that control the engine. This is an angle valve control the inlet, and here is the lever valve that controls by the centrifugal governor. The centrifugal governor is also called flyball governor. It keeps the engine running at a constant speed. So basically when the engine is running, the governor starts to rotate and 2 brass balls start to move outward, and therefore shuts the lever valve underneath. When the valve is closing, it reduces the amount of air or steam enters the piston, so it reduces the speed of the engine. And when the engine is running low, it opens the valve so that more air or steam will enter the piston. As you can see, the governor is very well designed. It goes through the gap of the flywheel when it's running. Okay, now I'm going to stop talking and let the engine run for a few minutes. I have a very small end compressor, so you will hear the compressor running in a few seconds. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Leave a comment below and give it a big thumbs up if you like this video.